Caramelize sugar until it turns golden brown. Then set aside. For the custard, combine all the ingredients, mix well, then set aside. For the chiffon, combine cake flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, combine egg yolk and ube halaya. Then add water, oil, and ube extract. I'm using Bakersfield ube flavocol for the ube extract. You can also add few drops of violet food coloring if you want. Mix well, then add to the flour mixture. Mix until smooth or free of lumps. Then set aside. For the meringue, beat egg whites and cream of tartar until frothy. Then gradually add sugar. Beat until stiff peak. Gently fold in some egg white mixture to the butter. This is just to loosen the butter so we can easily mix them together. Then add the rest of the egg white mixture and then gently fold in. Mix them together using folding method. Cut the butter, then fold it over while scraping the bottom and side of the bowl. Mix until well combined. Strain custard over the caramelized sugar. Place it in a larger pan for the water bath. Pour the cake batter over the custard. Since chiffon is lighter, the butter will float on the custard, popping some bubbles. Pour hot water on the larger pan for the water bath. Bake in a preheated oven for around 1.5 hours or until done. Do not open your oven while baking chiffon cakes at least for the first 20 minutes. The cake is ready when an inserted toothpick comes out clean. Run a knife around the pan and invert the pan on a serving plate.